Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Hovenal Narcisse. And for today, we are going to unbox some items that I have ordered from the United States during the Black Friday sale. And these items that I have with me came from Levi's, USA. The reason why these items, actually these are two items, but only one kind of model. It's not available here in the Philippines. And in the stores in the United States, it's not also available in outlet stores, in Levi's boutique stores in the United States. And this is only available through online purchase. We will unbox this item or items right now. It came from Levi's, USA. I bought these these are hoodie jackets, cotton hoodie jackets, and says here it's only available through online purchase. So we'll open them one at a time. Let's start with the green. By the way, I took advantage of the Black Friday sale, and this is only $41. Nice. And it was sent through the Johnny Air Cargo, and I paid another 1,800 pesos for its shipping from Los Angeles to Manila, Philippines. I got the small size, because that's my size for Levi's. This is the green one. I prefer the traditional hoodie without any zipper. And this is the one wherein you have a pocket warmer at the front. And you have the logo, Batman logo in front. And this is colored olive. And it is small. We'll have a video, fitting video later on after I present these two items. The other one is black, very traditional, very classic, with a red Batman logo of Levi's. This is also size small. This is 100% cotton. And it has those 4 tabs. This is made in Turkey. 100% cotton. We'll see the other one. Of course, you have always the 4 glossy tabs. This is made in Pakistan. So Levi's is really worldwide. This one is made in Pakistan. And this black hoodie is made in Turkey. 100% cotton. And this is also 100% cotton. Okay. Yeah, it says here 100% cotton. Very nice. By feel, I think they have the same thickness, the same material, See? I think this olive one is softer than the black one, but the quality is still very nice, very good. And yeah, they have the same texture, of course, the same measurement. It has the red tab. This one also has the usual red tab at the side, at the left side. So we'll go now to the fitting video.